I guess in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to load unique records to one target and duplicate records to another target using Informatica Power Center. So this is the video lecture 53 of this Informatica class series. And here you can see I've created 4 mappings to get here unique and duplicate values. Okay, so first mapping is, or this is the first mapping. There I'm using sorter transformation, aggregator, joiner, router transformation. So inside there, I'm using the file. This test file is the name, and this is the record inside there. And after performing this, we need to get the output like this. So this here, so this is the duplicate record you can see, and this is the unique records. So here you can see 80 and 90, this is 1 times, and here this is repeated record, there that's displaying. So this is the input, and after performing this mapping, we need to get the output. So let's understand this example. So first here, going to show you the records inside the file. Let's click on this preview editor, and here the file that I'm using, CSV file. So this test file is the name, kind of CSV. Let's click on this open. So this is the record inside there. So you can see this TP number, this is a random order, so that here I'm using sorter transformation. So sorter transformation and apply on this sorter that is in DPT number. So DPT number, so this here that sort the records. So this sort the records, and here I'm using this sort the records, and thereafter or there I'm using the expression transformation. Expression transformation, this all ports are there. One port that I added, the name is old dummy, this is integer type, and here output port initialize the value with 1. So this expression transformation, or this you can get one port that added old dummy, and here all the value that initialized with the 1. After that, here this aggregated transformation. This aggregated transformation, here you can see one port that added o count integer tab, and this is output, and this here count aggregate function that's using and making the group by on this TP number. So that here this the aggregated and group by, so that here you can see 10 is twice times, 20 is 3 times, 60 is 3 times, 80 1 times, 90 1 times. O count that count the value of this rows, so that here this returning 10 is twice times. Here you can see 10 is twice, 20 is thrice, 60 twice, or 60 thrice, and 80 and 90 one time. So aggregated transformation that returned this value. And after that, what exactly doing there? So this or 2, that's the joining with the help of this TP number. So here this 2's that joining, here you can see this all values that's come there, and this all values there, and there I applied the condition on this TP number, and property that set it here sorted input, and this port is there. So this is detail, and this is master port, and now this is there expression and aggregator. So 10-10 match, 10-20 match, 10-30 match, 30 is not there. So 10-10 match, 20 match, here 60 match, 80 match, 90 match. So only matching value that returned there. Okay, so matching value that's returning there. So joiner transformation, or this value that's come there, joiner transformation, this all, they are 2 ports that's added, o dummy and o count. So 10 match, then here o dummy and o count, 20 match, 60 match, 18 match, this value that's come there. After that, joiner transformation, the next is going to use the router transformation. So router transformation is, there I created one group, o dummy and o count. So here you can see this o dummy and o count. So o dummy value is now 1, and o count is 2. So both are not the same. And here this o dummy is 1, o count is 3. is this not same, and only this is the same one that's matched there. So one match there. So if that match, then this go to the unique group, or if that not match, so this value you can see this not match, so this will go there on this default group. So this go on this default groups. So match that's go on unique group. This is condition is there. So if that not match, that go on this or this default group. And here you can see this DP number this selected from this expression and O count. So this expression value that go there. After that, when that match, this load into the unique flat file, and here this load into the this default or the non-matching part that's going to duplicate flat file. So this is about the mapping, and let's go there on this workflow manager. So here, this is the example 4 is there. Fourth, now let's see about the properties of this. So this come from the file. So there are stated given the location of this file. This is the location. This is the CSV tab, unique, and this unique data that's returning there. So we're on this text top, and here header option given the output field name, and this is for the duplicate. So duplicate value, and here header option that's enable, and the duplicate value that's created on this text top, and this all transformation that I used. So let's start the task there, and now this succeeded. There you can see on this text top 2 files that's created. So let's close this one, and here you can see this 2 file that's created. So unique record only 18 and 19 is there, and here you can see duplicate record, this all duplicate record that's displaying there. So this is the input. Sorry, the file is test file. So this is the input, and after performing the mapping, here you can see this is the output that's displaying. So this is the input record, and here this is the unique record. The unique record 18 and 90 that's repeated, that's one at a time, and others are more than one time. Okay, so this is the fourth mapping of this to get here unique and duplicate record. Now let's see about the second or third mapping. So selecting there third. So here let's see the flat file first. So this preview data, and here opening the file, the same file that I'm using, and thereafter making this aggregator transformation. So on this aggregator transformation, there I used O count integer tabs. So this count the rows first that make into the group, 10 in one group, 20, 60, 80, 90, this making one group, and after that count. And here you can see this value that's count there. So although, okay, 1 second, this is the file and aggregator transformation that returned there, this values 2, 3, 3, 1, 1, and after that this here router transformation. So router transformation, they are created two group. If unique value match with 1, then this return unique, and duplicate value if greater than 1, so that return or duplicate port that go there. So here you can see this or here 2, 3, this values, this all or greater than or 1, so that this go to duplicate, and this match with the 1, this go to unique. Now thereafter this is the condition that's given on this router transformation, and here the same thing, unique go to this file and duplicate go to this file. So let's open the workflow manager for this one, or let's close this one, and closing this one also, opening the workflow manager from the mapping. So here you can see this is the workflow manager, and here this is the mapping is there. Let's see the property inside this, and here this is the mapping, this flat file that I'm using, this is the location, and here unique record. So output field name, this create on this text top, and here this create there. Now after that, The next is let's delete the file that's created on this desktop. So with the help of this also return the unique and duplicate record, but not in the repeated order. So here you can see unique record 8990 and this here duplicate record. So previously that's here 10, 20, 60 is the duplicate. So this is a repeated order. So if 10 is twice time, then twice time is there, 20 is thrice time, then thrice time is there. But it's returning one at a time, and here this is showing that 10, 20, 60 is the duplicate. Okay, because this is the value is greater than, or count value is greater than 1. So count greater than 1, so that this here that's displaying there. So here is the second example. Now let's see the third example of this mapping. So let's close this, and now this is mapping designer. Let's select here second example. So there I used there this is the mapping. So here test file. Let's see the record inside the test file. And this here I'm using the sorted transformation. This sort the records. So sorting the records, and after that here on this sorted transformation, this is the property distinct property. So distinct property, that means all the duplicate record that's removed there from this. So here you can see this is and all the duplicate record. So only unique record that's go to the this file. Then after O count is there. I applied this, and this here the same, that's count the rows. And thereafter the next is this go to the filter transformation, and here I use the filter, and here O count greater than 1. So the value of 2, 3, here you can see of filter transformation. So here 2, 3, 6. This value is now greater than 1. So this go to the duplicate or the next file, this there, and this go to the unique. So this terminate the all the duplicate record that's loaded into the unique file. So after that, the next is let's go on this workflow manager. This the second mapping is there. Let's double click this, and here this the mapping, and this the file, and this is the location of this file. This here unique records, and this is the location of this directory. This is the duplicate is their location, and this transformation that's I'm using. The next is let's let's check the location of this target file. So this here location is in desktop. So let's delete the file, this tools file on this desktop, and now running the session. So here you can see this succeeded, and here let's check the unique record. So this value that's returning there unique. This only with the help of this you can see that I'm using sorted transformation and sorted. So this removed the duplicate values. Okay, this terminates the duplicate values, and this value that's returning there. So terminating and loading there. After that, on this duplicate greater than 1 value. So here 10, 20, 60 is the greater than 1 value, so that this is returning. Now let's check about the first example. So first example, there I'm using the aggregator transformation. So this aggregator transformation has the ports, making all the ports in the group by. So with the making all this group by 10, 20, 60, this all in one group. Okay, so this making in group by, so that this value that's returning there. So this is now becoming the unique. And after that, here this aggregator transformation, if the value of O count greater than or 1, so this go there. So this on this first file, this returning or here this all, and or this the second file that's returning this values 10, 20, 60. So this is there. Now let's go on this and start the task. Let's start the task, and here you can see this succeeded, and now let's check the location of this target file. So where I have given the location, so this here unique, so that's created inside the ZX location. So ZX location, this is there, and two file that's created. So unique or this all, because so what exactly I have done there. So aggregated transformation and this 10 in making one group. So making all the group, so that this all in group, so that with the help of this terminate all the duplicate values, and this aggregated transformation count value, so greater than 1. So here or 10 20 60 has count greater than 1, so this go to the another file there. So you can see this is duplicate 10 20 60, that's duplicate records that's come into the next file. Okay, so this is how we can delete the duplicate records from the source, and duplicate record delete, and this is how we can load unique record in one target and duplicate record to another target in Informatica Power Center. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.